So in this module we'll talk about calendar module. So here it's a calendar and how we can integrate different calendars with us. So what exactly is it shows like where you have a meeting and all other stuff. So if you are admin, you can see anyone's calendar over here by just selecting it, and if you're not admin, your team member can see their calendar. So what exactly we need to do is we'll go to a calendar setting, and that is the alternative to Calendly. So what exactly we want to do it is, first we'll go to connections, and we have a connection from where we can connect our Google My Business or other stuff. So what we'll doing is, let me go to calendar, and I want a 30 minutes calendar. So I have 5 stuffs. So one is service calendar, that is like when we are available. Simple calendar is the one which we majorly use for the meetings and online. And round robin is like if we have a 5 members, automatically your sales team, whenever leads come into picture, first A will get assigned and the second in B, C, and that's the round robin process. Fourth is a meeting for a single person of a team, and collective booking is where we can schedule a team talk. So generally I use a simple calendar first, and let's say 30 minutes call. So I will create this in a different account so that I can show you all the steps. Great. So create calendar, simple calendar, and I can say onboarding call, and here the slug will be the slug is already taken, and I will try this because by default we are giving 2 to 3 calendars. Sorry. Now it and it will be 30 minutes Monday to Friday, and I want to show them a timing at what time I will be probably available for the onboarding call. So what exactly we'll be doing it over here is, we generally do onboarding between 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. So here is the meeting location. So if I want to add Zoom link and other stuff, I can do this. And if I go to advanced settings, here I can customize just like a Calendly one. I can add a logo of mine. So if it is Funnels AI, so let me check if I get Funnels AI logo. So let me add this, and we can use circle also. Onboarding call. Here is the meeting location. We can do a meeting location as a Google Calendar also, and we can use our parent color. So onboarding we'll do like this, and I will show you some stuff. Monday to Friday 5 to 11, you can do customize it according to your availability. And here is minimum scheduling notice. Minimum scheduling notice is 1 day, so that should not anybody can come and suddenly book up a call. You are not able to show up, so 1 day. Date range, maximum number of bookings per day. We take only 2 onboarding calls per day. Maximum booking only 1. Buffer time is 15 minutes. We can give a gap. Pre-buffer and post. So it means there is a half an hour gap between this, but generally we can do onboarding quickly also, so we'll do the 5 minutes gap. And form and payments are for the one if you are doing some paid trainings. So people will first buy your stuff, and then they will come on a call. So that's how the payments will work. And there is a Facebook pixel ID, that is the retargeting pixel ID, which you get it from the Meta if somebody is clicking on a mail, if you want to retarget them. Okay, and notification and setting, acknowledge mail will be sent with their name and number, and if they want to reschedule, again reschedule. And we want Google Calendar to also get connected with. So here we come to the connections, and for this I will connect my external calendar. So if you have Google Meet, any other stuff you are using, Tidy, Call and other stuff, you can just connect your calendar from here. So what I will be ideally doing is to connect my calendar. My calendar is associated with this, and I will do it two-way sync. What exactly two-way sync means? If somebody book up a call on the same time from a different event, eventually it will not book two person at the same time. Okay, so there might be something wrong with my Google My Business, but no worries, we can see if we can connect it with the okay. So now moving back to again calendars, and we need to first, we have connected it. Now we'll go to calendar setting, onboarding call. On the three dots we can add it. So Nippon at the bot pair, and here make sure that it's a two-way sync. If something is book or call over in this our platform, it will show into your other stuff also if you are using multiple payment gateways. So here it is okay. Execute automations, if we have, it will execute automations, and here you can do the all the customization stuff, which one is your primary color and all other stuff. So if you preview the widget, let's me show it to you. So it's a 30 minutes onboarding call, and it will start showing. So from 5 to 10:30 p.m. it starts showing 4 days a week. If you want to input some custom code, you can also do it here. We can change the primary color also. So you can add your primary color over here also. So if I move it to this, it will change it to purple, and it's a new one. And you can add a cover image also, but ideally it should be with the proper dimensions. You can tweak it like this. Now see, it's in the purple and all other stuffs are good to go. So that is the onboarding call calendar, and I need to save it. You can create your multiple calendars. There is no limit for creating calendars as Mazel booking. So if you have a different product, you can do a different. If you have a client call, if you have an onboarding call, everything can be done over here, right? So these are the stuff which you can use, and you can see how many calls you are onboarding over here. And rest preference widgets are the basic stuff. Week starts on other stuff, which is your timings and all availability. If you are not available sometime, you can always disconnect it. Like, okay, on this date I am not available, you can do the stuff. So that's the whole calendar part. You can play with it, you can customize it accordingly, and start making your journey. And as soon as somebody book up a call, let me show you how it works. So let's say I book up a call. It will block my calendar for 5 also. Will delete it, but let me took it like this, dummy call, and I will pick like this, schedule a meeting. So people can add it on Google Calendar, Outlook, and this also, and people will also receiving an email. And if I go back to calendar, and if I select mine calendar over here, it will start showing it up. You have your monthly calendar, weekly calendar, and everything is getting over here. So that's how you made and create all the stuff.